everyone, this is Curtis at home in the kitchen. I'm finna fix something. What I'm finna fix here is I got a bag of these Camellia Red Kidney beans, as you can see right here. Yeah, we're gonna get these here all fixed up, and what I'm gonna do is let me just show y'all what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna get them all fixed up. So I got this here package. Got two packages of them. Actually, I already opened up one package. So here's the other package right here. It's been opened. And what I have done with that other package that I opened up, I have let me show you. I already got them right here in a pan. I let them soak overnight. I took like a teaspoon of baking soda and I put them in there and I fill it up with water so that they could soak overnight. So what I'm gonna do right here, as you can see right here, the beans in there, I'm gonna take and rinse these off. And once I get them all rinsed off and everything, then I'm gonna take and I'm gonna slow cook them in my crock pot that I have over here. And I'm gonna show you. But I'm gonna also what I'm gonna do is let me show you some of the stuff that I'm gonna put in there. Let me see. Gotta have some flavor to it. So I got some of these right here. These ham hocks. You see it? That's right here. Picked up some of them, and what that's gonna do is bring some of that flavor in there to it. That's gonna really make those beans pop. I'm telling you, it's gonna have a good flavor after letting it slow cook for hours. Oh God, yeah. Cause I got something else to do, so I'm gonna put it in the crock pot. So that's one we're gonna put in there. And another one, you know, we have to have an onion, so I'm gonna take and slice some of this onion up. I'm gonna put some of that in there. And y'all know what else? I didn't have a cube of garlic, so I'm gonna use some of this here minced garlic right here. Sprinkle that up. I'm gonna put that in there. And y'all know the stuff that I like to put in it. A little bit of this here too, a little less slap your mom in there. I always season it up. It's good for your beans. It's gonna bring in a good flavor. I tell you, it's gonna bring a good flavor. Now, once I get it all prepped up and it cook all day, then I'll probably come back and let me see. I'll probably get me some rice. And what I'm gonna do is I'll cook some of that rice, get some white rice, and I'll cook some of that up, and then I will take, once the beans are through, then I will take and you know, get some of those beans and pour over in that rice, and then have some of that ham off in there. It's just gonna be good, guys. Gonna be good. Well, give me a minute. Let me get these beans all washed out. Just stay tuned here. Let me get the beans all washed off, and I'll get them in the crock pot, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here, how I place that in there. All right. Okay, guys, I'm back. I got the beans all washed off, and I put them in the crock pot. Let's take a look at them. Okay, here we go. You can see I got the beans in the crock pot, and I rinsed the ham hocks off, and I have them in there. And as you can see right here, I took my measuring cup right here, and I put about 6 cups of water in there. So now I got that all, you know, I got that all ready to go here. So I'm gonna turn it on. Let's see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn that on. I'm gonna put it on high because I'm gonna let it cook. I'm gonna be gone for some hours, so I'm gonna let it just sit here and slow cook all day long until I get back, and I'm gonna have a good meal when I get back. So I want to put a little bit of put some garlic in there. See this right here? We don't have to. We're just gonna put some of that. That's gonna give it some good flavor. See, we're just gonna put some of that in there, that garlic. And I know I told y'all about, you know, slap your mama, so we're gonna put some of that in there too. Oh yeah, we can put some of that off in there. That's gonna season up the beans. That's gonna make it real good. It's gonna cook all day long. Put that off in there. And I know I told y'all that I was gonna put some onion. So you see, I took my onion and I cut some of that onion off of there, and I cut it up in a little bitty pieces right here. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this portion of this onion right here, and we're just gonna take and slide that off in there. Yeah. Yeah, just drop it off in there. There we go. That's gonna be some more flavor into it. So we're gonna let it cook all day. We're gonna put the top on there. You can see right here. And so when I come back, we're gonna have some good old red kidney beans here, and you know, we're just gonna have a good meal. And like I say, I'll probably get some fix up some rice with that and pour that over the rice and some of that ham hock, and it's gonna fill me up. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a while because it's gonna slow cook. I'll be back. All right guys, I made it back. I had started earlier cooking. Well, I had prepared the beans by putting them in a crock pot, letting them cook all day. So I made it back home after I was out for a while doing some work. I was cleaning up a lot with a lot of tree dirbers, so that got me behind. I was going to come back earlier, but I just got involved with a lot of work. But anyway, let's check out these beans. Let's check them out. Here we go. Here we go. It's still in the crock pot, as you can see. Look at that. Oh, it's smelling good. Oh, it's smelling good there. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh-wee. It's time to get some of that out of there. See how that ham is there? Oh-wee. This is going to be good. I did manage to get me some rice, and I'm going to have some rice and cornbread. So let me see if I can get a bowl and get some of this rice to go with that. Just give me a minute, guys. Give me a minute. We got to dig in. Let me fix up a plate right quick. Let me fix a plate of this here. Okay, hold on a minute. Okay, guys, this is what I'm talking about. I got that cornbread. Got my rice right here. Oh yeah, got a whole big pot of that rice. So what we're gonna do is get some of that out of there. We're gonna definitely get some of this rice up out of here. I got a whole pot of that. Oh yeah. Put some of that right in there. Yeah, cooked a big pot of that rice there. We want to make this good. Have plenty of rice in it. Oh yeah. All right. Got that rice out of there. So let's dig in. Let's move on over here. It's okay if I get a little rice in it, cause hey. Ooh. Oh yeah, let me move this part here out of the way because I want to be able to put some of that off up in there. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Ooh wee. Yeah, we're just gonna pour that off in there. Oh yeah, see that? See how that's looking? Oh yeah, it's not dry. We got plenty of that, plenty of those beans and plenty of liquor from the beans. Look at that, some more of that good thick ham. Ooh, look at that. Just pour some more of that off in there. Pour it in there. Okay. Just put some more of that off up in there. We're gonna soak that in there to the rice. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. See, we got that ham off in there. Now this is the way I like to fix a good meal here. Okay. Now, it's good hot. Now we're gonna put that cornbread there with it. Oh yeah. Now we're ready to get in there and taste this here. Oh yeah. Y'all know how I do it. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Let me reposition this camera so y'all can see me take a taste test of this. It's done cooked, slow cooked all day, and I'm ready to have some of this. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. All right, guys. I know this is the minute that you've been waiting for, that taste test of what I prepared for today. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, y'all see how that plate is looking? Yeah, it's hot too. Ooh. Hold on a minute. Let me get another plate. Hold on a minute. That plate is really warm there. I got enough so I can hold it for you. There we go. Yeah, I had to put it in another plate because this one is kind of warm here. This is, ooh, look at that, look at that. So I want to give y'all a taste test. Yeah. Let that soak in there. All of that flavor. Taste that onion in there. Taste the garlic, taste that ham. Ooh, this is good. This is good. I wish y'all was nearby. I'd like to give everyone some of this. Oof, I got plenty of it. Got cornbread too. I've been working all day. Oof, this is a good hearty meal. Here, look at here. Boy. This is good, guys. This is good. Digging in. Look at that ham. This something got that ham flavor in it. These beans. Ooh. See all that ham in there? See that? Y'all see it. Ooh, I'm about to spill it. But look at that. See the ham? Look at that. Wow. This is good. This is good. It's nothing like having a good home, slow cooked meal when you come home. God, I know I'm sharing this with y'all, but let me tell you, it's good. Yeah, it is good. Now, man, I'm eating all of it. I'm gonna have some of this tomorrow. I may not do another cooking video tomorrow. I got some of this left over, so. So y'all know what I put in it. So if y'all want to try this out, alright, just follow all the ingredients from the video and you try it out. And leave me some comments if you try it out. Come back and tell me, Curtis, I tried that out and wow. Now I could have just had the beans alone, but I just like a little rice with it. But when this and the cornbread, man, look at here. Look at here. Eat your heart out. Eat your heart out. Be good to yourself. Fix a good meal. Now, I normally, maybe 2 or 3 times a year, I normally have something like, prepare something like this. Yep. Yep. Man. Yeah, this is so good. I don't know why I keep telling y'all it's good, because it's just good. I just have to say it's good because it's good. But anyway,
hope y'all enjoyed me preparing this one here. Now, stay tuned. I got something else I'm gonna put together. I got a number of things I'm gonna be fixing. But right now I gotta go because I got a bowl of this to finish up. Yep, I gotta go. I gotta go and finish it up. Now I wish y'all was with me. Well, y'all are with me. You check out the video, so y'all are with me. I'm thinking about y'all. I wish y'all was nearby. I'd give you a bowl of it and some of this rice here. But y'all not nearby. But you can just imagine the way it is. Well, y'all got the ingredients. Fix y'all a bowl of this. I'm out of here.